Hello children, how are you? Welcome to the English literature video classes. How was your weekend? First tell me, how was your weekend? Good? So you know what is weekend, right? Saturday and Sunday is known as weekend. You all have studied? पढ़ाई की आपने? And I hope कि आप रोज़ का काम रोज़ कर रहे हो so that you don't have much burden on yourself. Why? Because if you don't finish your work daily, you have to do it all at once and then you will feel tired, right? So what we are doing is, we are doing lesson number 5 of the English literature book, and the chapter is people who help us, right? There are many people in our day-to-day life who help us do our work properly and efficiently, right? Now, in lesson number 5, what have we done? We have done till now adverb and the phonic sound TR, that is straw, train, and the phonic sound twr, that is twinkle, right? And we have done the story of Varun and Riya, who were going to school and they come across so many people in their path who help us in our day-to-day life. Now, do you remember how many people did Riya and Varun come across? आपको याद है कितने लोग मिले थे रिया एंड वरुण को फ्रॉम होम टू स्कूल? They get postman, they get garbage wala truck, and they have men in the garbage truck who pick up the beans, right? Beans, that means dustbins. Then they see firefighter people and fire engine who was going to rescue people and vanish of the fire. Then they reached school and they found a rabbit whose name was Fluffy. Then they go to the vet, that is, the animal doctor is known as vet, right? Okay, now proceeding to the chapter, we have also done the question and answers of the story. Proceeding in this lesson, we are going to learn about occupation now, right? So what is occupation? Do you know what is occupation? Any work done to earn money is occupation. And why do we need money? We need money to fulfill our basic needs, right? To meet our basic needs. Now what are basic needs? The basic needs are food, cloth and shelter. These are known as basic needs. Why? Because इसके बिना लोग रह नहीं सकते. People need food to eat so that they can survive. People need shelter to live. छत चाहिए ना सबको रहने के लिए, घर. And clothes, कपड़े तो चाहिए पहनने के लिए, बिना कपड़े के कैसे रहेंगे, right? So these are the basic needs. And to fulfill our basic needs, we need money, isn't it? बिना पैसों का खाना मिलेगा क्या? नहीं ना. So we need money to get food, shelter and clothes, right? So occupation is any work done to earn money to fulfill our basic needs is occupation. Now, there is a thin line of difference between occupation and profession. Now, what is profession? Profession is paid occupation that involves special training and skills. Now, how do we require special training and skills? Now, suppose there is a cook. ठीक है, कोई cook खाना बनाता है किसी के घर पे जाके. How much does the person earns? 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees. Now, the same cook अगर किसी होटल में खाना बनाता है स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग एंड स्किल के साथ रेस्टोरेंट में, सो ही अर्न्स मोर मनी, राइट? उसको 12,000 15,000 जैसा रेस्टोरेंट है वैसे, बट फॉर दैट he requires special training and skills. Now how does that special training and skill comes? It comes through education. If a person does hotel management and he cooks in a big restaurant or a hotel, so he is known as a chef. The person who comes to cook at home is known as cook. But the same person, after having special skills and training, goes to a big restaurant and cooks, then he is known as a chef. So being a cook is an occupation and being a chef is a profession, right? So this is the difference between occupation and profession. Now coming down to our textbook, here see, what is it? A pilot. This person is a pilot. Now who is a pilot? A pilot is a person who flies an airplane or a helicopter, right? Now, the person who drives a car is known as driver, right? A person who sails a ship is known as sailor. So, similarly, a person who flies an aeroplane or helicopter is known as pilot. So pilot is a profession, right? Why? Because being a pilot requires special training, isn't it? Okay, now see this one. What is this person doing? He is making a painting, right? So a painter is one who draws and paints beautiful pictures. Now who is a painter? A painter is a person who makes beautiful picture, right, and paints it. Okay, now see this question number question number 1. Varun and Riya on their way to school came across people of different professions. Make a list of all those. So I have already told you किनसे मिले थे Varun and Riya? They met a postman, they met the person who picks up the garbage, then they met firefighters in their fire engine going to rescue the people of building, and they met a vet, right? Now question number 2, what is it? Here's a picture of different people following different occupation, right? So we have to write it down. What are those people doing and what is the occupation that they follow, right? So what is this person doing? This person is doing the making furniture, right? A dash makes furniture. So who makes the furniture? Who makes the furniture? A carpenter makes a furniture, right? So we write here carpenter. C-A-R, car, P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter, right? Okay. Now, number 2. In this picture, this person is making shoes, right? So he is mending shoes. Now, who mends shoes? जूते चप्पल फट जाते हैं तो कौन सा ही करता है? Who mends shoes? A cobbler mends shoes, right? So we write here a cobbler mends shoes. Cobbler is mochi, right? Now, third, who is this person? What is it written over here? A dash treats sick animals. Sick animals मतलब बीमार जानवर. So who treats sick animals? Sick लोगों को, sick people को डॉक्टर ट्रीट करता है. So animals is treated by vet. A vet, V-E-T, vet, treats sick animals. Vet is veterinary doctor. That is animals ka doctor. Now, fourth, a dash bakes cakes and biscuit. Cakes and biscuit कौन bake करता है bakery में? Bakery में कौन होता है? There is a baker in the bakery, right? So, a baker bakes cakes and biscuits. Right? Now, number 5. A dash sells goods on streets. Who sells goods on streets? Vendor. Who sells it? Vendor, right? So, a vendor, or we can say street vendor, or we can say vendor also. A vendor sells goods on streets, right? Now, what is this person doing? He is selling fish. So, who sells a fish? A fisherman, right? A fisherman sells fish. Done? Okay. Now coming down. What is here? Here is fill in the blanks for letters A to F. Use the description after each blank to help you. That means you have to write the person's occupation over here. यहाँ पे साइड में आपको क्लूज दिए हैं. You have to see the clues and then you have to fill it up here. Right? A as in I fly in space. So who flies in space? An astronaut, right? So A for astronaut. Who flies in space? Astronaut. A as in astronaut. A-S-S T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut. Right? Okay. Now B. B is I cut people's hair. Who cuts people's hair? लोगों के बाल कौन काटता है? A barber. Right? So B is for barber. B-A-R-B-E-R. A barber. B is for barber. Now C. C as in I make furniture out of wood. So who makes furniture? I told you right now. A carpenter makes furniture, right? C-A-R, car. P-E-N, pen. T-E-R, ter. Carpenter. Now D. D is for I solve crimes by looking for clues. Who solve crime by looking for clues? A detective, right? So D is for detective. D-E-T-E. D-tech. T-E-C, tech. Detective. T-I-V-E. D is for detective. Now number E. I repair electrical products. Who repair electrical products? An electrician, right? So E stands for electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N. Electrician. Done? Now F. F is for I fight fires and help people. Now who fight fires and take out people from the building? Who? That is firefighter. F-I-R-E, fire. F-I-G-H-T-E-R, firefighter. Got it? So this is all about occupation and the people, different kind of people who follow different occupation. Next we are going to do adverbs and some more in the next class.